We crave connection. It's in our DNA. We are wired for belonging, for shared experiences and mutual support. This deep-seated need is what draws us together, forming the intricate tapestry of community. Our neighbours are the threads that weave this tapestry. They are the family next door, the barista at the corner cafe, the fellow dog walker in the park. They are the people we encounter every day, the ones who make up the fabric of our lives. Treating our neighbours with kindness and respect is not just good manners, it's about recognizing our shared humanity. It's about understanding that we are all connected, that our lives are intertwined in ways big and small. When we invest in our neighbours, we invest in the well-being of our entire community. We strengthen the bonds that hold us together and create a sense of belonging that ripples outwards. Kindness is the currency of connection. A smile, a helping hand, a listening ear. These small acts of generosity can have a profound impact. They nourish the soul of a community, fostering a sense of safety and belonging. When we are kind to our neighbours, we create a ripple effect. Our actions inspire others to do the same, and soon the entire community is buzzing with goodwill. This positive energy is contagious, lifting spirits and brightening even the darkest of days. Kindness is not about grand gestures or heroic acts. It's about the everyday moments, the small interactions that make up the fabric of our lives. It's about holding a door open for a stranger, offering words of encouragement to a neighbour struggling, or simply taking the time to listen. These small acts of kindness may seem insignificant on their own, but together they have the power to transform a community. They build bridges of connection, foster trust, and create a culture of compassion. Stories have the power to transport us into the lives of others. They allow us to walk in someone else's shoes, to see the world through their eyes. Through stories, we develop empathy and understanding, breaking down barriers and building bridges of connection. Sharing our stories with our neighbours helps us to find common ground. We discover shared experiences, common values, and mutual aspirations. We begin to see each other not as strangers, but as fellow travelers on the journey of life. Listening to our neighbors' stories is just as important as sharing our own. When we truly listen with open hearts and minds, we create a safe space for vulnerability and authenticity. We show our neighbors that they are seen, heard, and valued. Storytelling is an essential ingredient in building strong communities. It helps us to understand each other better, to appreciate our differences, and to celebrate our shared humanity. Collaboration strength in unity. We are stronger together than we are alone. When we collaborate with our neighbors, we pool our resources, talents, and ideas. We create a synergy that allows us to achieve things that would be impossible on our own. Community problems often seem insurmountable when we face them individually. But when we come together, we bring a diversity of perspectives, experiences, and skills to the table. This collective wisdom allows us to find creative solutions and to develop innovative approaches. Collaboration is about more than just solving problems. It's about building relationships, fostering trust, and creating a sense of shared ownership. When we work together towards a common goal, we strengthen the bonds of community and create a sense of collective pride. Celebrating the tapestry of diversity. Our differences are our strength. A community that embraces diversity is a community that is vibrant, resilient, and full of life. When we celebrate the unique perspectives, experiences, and cultures of our neighbors, we enrich the tapestry of our community. Diversity is not about tolerance, it's about celebration. It's about recognizing that our differences make us stronger, more creative, and more resilient. It's about creating a community where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued for who they are. When we embrace diversity, we expand our own worldview. We learn from each other, challenge our own assumptions, and grow as individuals and as a community. The collective heartbeat of change. We are all capable of making a difference. Every act of kindness, every story shared, every collaborative effort contributes to the collective heartbeat of change. When we work together, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond our immediate surroundings. Building strong communities is not a spectator sport. It requires active participation, a willingness to show up, to lean in, and to contribute. It requires us to be kind, to be compassionate, and to be courageous in our pursuit of a more just and equitable world. The power to transform our communities lies within each and every one of us. Let us embrace this power with open hearts, open minds, and a shared commitment to creating a world where everyone feels a sense of belonging.